What's going on, everyone? We are in Magic Kingdom.
We are.
And we are actually meeting up with some friends from our Facebook group today. And then won't be in this vlog, but then we're going over to tour Copper Creek.
Yes,
and
later on. So you'll see that this week.
We actually just walked all the way up Main Street and took a car back. It was really, really cool. Highly recommend that you do that the next time you get here.
That was my suggestion. I actually didn't really suggest it. I said, I'm riding that car, and took off running.
It was cool.
We're going for a ride down Main Street, USA. Seat 6 because I got here first.
I guess Taylor doesn't want to be in this shot, but
I'm here.
she got us, so we did she did fast passes last night, so she got us a fast pass for Space Mountain. So we're gonna go meet up with Derek and Catherine again, because we already met up with them this morning over at Splash Mountain. And that's right, I have to ride Splash Mountain, guys.
And it's a little breezy.
And I hate getting wet. I hate getting wet.
I'll be all right.
I'm really got like some anxiety and some stress going right now. Anyways, that's what we're doing.
Drama.
So we're going. That's where we're going next. All right, so if you're coming to Magic Kingdom, and depending on what your strategy is, my strategy would be that, depending on what fast passes you have, if you really want to ride Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, get here early, do the rope drop,
Right there.
go straight there, and then work your way from the back, so like Thunder Mountain, Splash Mountain, and work your way back to the front. Because in that way, typically you can get around and ride Thunder Mountain, Splash Mountain, and Space Mountain in the morning, get those knocked out of the way, and
Minimal lines.
with minimal lines, and then hit some of the other smaller stuff like Pirates, Jungle Cruise. Granted, it depends on what kind of fast passes you have, but that's usually what we like to do. And it tends to work pretty well. Another good thing is if you want to do Tom Sawyer's Island, if you can, try to do it in the morning, because usually in the afternoon it gets pretty busy with a lot of people trying to get out there. It's supposed to rain today. Hopefully it doesn't. We're with Derek and Catherine, and I think Average Joe's back there somewhere. We're getting on. Oh my goodness, the seats are already wet. So just everybody knows.
My butt's getting wet already.
As soon as you sit down, you're wet because the seat's already wet. This is actually a really great ride. Oh my goodness, somebody's hat's right there. See it?
Oh, there's like socks and stuff down there.
Anyways,
we're going to the laughing place.
yeah, this might be really close to my face, but no matter what, you're always wet. But it's a great ride, so you should ride it. It's a nice close-up. I prefer those close-ups, you know. Oh.
Fingers crossed right now. Fingers crossed. Come on, go.
We made it.
Go on, go on, go on.
We made it.
Not yet.
We made it. We made it.
Not yet.
We made it.
We made it. We made it. It's chilly.
You
Look, it's the laughing place. The laughing place.
Slip and fall.
Slip and falls. Slip and falls. I'm videoing.
Oh.
Woo! To be turning. Only you could.
Oh, my butt is soaked.
Well, did everybody get soaked or what?
I got wet. My butt's wet. All right, so we just got finished riding Splash Mountain. I'm a little wet. Not really salty about it, but
Yeah, yes.
everybody else also rode it,
We all got wet.
and everybody
My shirt
else
on the back turned dark
got
gray.
wet.
Yeah.
And it was Derek's first time, right?
Yes, both of our first times. Oh, both.
Both of your first
Both of
times?
our first times.
Oh my gosh.
It
So
was a lot longer than I thought it would be. It is.
it's a long ride.
It was great theming. It was nice to go through. Taylor got me on the drop because I
Oh yeah, the one in the dark, right?
We weren't quite sure when we were actually going to drop. And I'm like, woo! With my hands up in the air.
Yeah. Awesome. So I don't know what we're gonna do now. Actually, I think we are gonna go get food because we're hungry.
I need to eat.
We skipped breakfast,
I ate a banana.
and we'll see. I don't know. See what the rest of the day holds.
How many times today are you going to take your jacket out and put it on and then
So-
put it back in the back?
So today's like, it's been sunny, it's been cloudy, it's been sunny, it's been cloudy. Now it's kind of starting to drizzle a little bit.
It's really not. We felt like 3 drops.
I didn't move to Florida to be cold, okay? I moved to Florida for like 90 degrees, sunshine and 100% humidity. That's what I like. So when the temperature drops down to like 72 and it's cloudy, you better believe that I'm wearing a jacket. It's a good thing I don't have my Carhartt. Because I'm a Carhartt, I would wear that too. All right, so it is Super Bowl Sunday. The Eagles and the Patriots are playing. I will not give who I hope to win. I don't really care.
I do not care.
Actually, I mean, I do, but listen, I'm trying to keep this channel not very political here, and I don't want to start any drama, all right? Tom Brady might be the greatest of all time. I don't know. Maybe he is. Maybe he isn't. Anyways, we're headed out. We're going home to watch Super Bowl, have a little Super Bowl party, like now.